there, entrepreneurs. It's Hollywood Consulting, and we're back with another video. So today we're going to get into our part 2 of creating a custom AI presenter. But before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any other Hollywood Consulting content. In part 1 of creating a custom AI presenter, we discussed using Canva to create a custom AI presenter, but using the preset voices that they have. Today, we're actually going to do the same thing, but use our own audio file to voice the presenter. Let's jump into it. A lot of you in the last video actually asked what image creator we use. It is called imagine.art. I'll leave it in the description so that you guys can actually go there and use it. But today I'm going to actually go in and put in some prompts. As you know, I mentioned before, I love to use the live view because you get to see the image come together in real time, and I actually like that. There are other options where you can just put in the prompt all together and then the picture will generate. I just like this one. I like to see how it comes together. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to put in the prompts to make the character that I want to make. Beautiful black woman with brown skin. And let's see what other prompts I want to add onto it. Again, you can put in whatever prompts you want to create the character that you desire. I'm just going to continue to put in some prompts. I want her to be sitting at a desk. Okay, let's see the update. Oh no. Let's readjust that prompt. Oh, okay. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to update, but again, just play around with the prompts until you get an image that you actually like and that looks like what you want your presenter to look like. Okay, this is really cool. Here, I like this. One thing that I didn't point out is that they have other settings where you can design your character to look different ways. So this is the photo option. This is the anime option. This is the Pixar option. And then they have this option here. I personally like the Pixar one, but we'll go ahead and look at what the other ones look like so that you can see the options here. Okay, so now that I have the image that I like, I don't think that there's anything that I want to change about this. I will go ahead and export that image so that I can use it in my design. To create my audio, I actually just went into iMovie and recorded what I wanted it to say. Don't worry about the actual movie here. This is from another video that was editing, because when I export it, I'm just going to export the audio only in an MP3 format and save it to my computer so that I can also import that into Canva when it's time. I'm going to replace it because I've already done it, but that is how I created my audio. Okay, now we're going to hop back over to Canva and open our apps. Again, the DID AI Presenter is the app that we want to use. Wait for it to open. Okay, these are the other presenters that we created, but we're going to go ahead and upload the new presenter that we just designed in the other creator. Going to upload the picture. It takes a little bit of time, but it will pop up shortly. There it is. So you click on that presenter, and instead of normally putting in the text that would generate the voice, you want to choose upload audio. Here is where we will choose the audio that we recorded and then actually export it from iMovie and load that up into the AI generator. Now you can see that it is uploaded. It will show you how many credits it takes, and I will go ahead and generate the character. As mentioned before, this does take some time, so be patient, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. But I want to take this time to reiterate that you have to upload credits, and every video that you create, or every AI character video that you create, will cost you a certain amount of credits. You need to upload those credits through your account, and then you can create as you need to create. Okay, you can see here that the character has been created. Her mouth is moving. You won't hear the audio, through this video right now, but once that's done, I will export it, download it. I save to a larger file because it shows, better on YouTube, but the previous quality is fine. And I will just download it and save that to my computer so that I can use it a part of other files. But once it's all done, this is what it will look like. Hey there, fabulous souls. In the whirlwind world of social media, TikTok has emerged as a force to be reckoned with. With its skyrocketing popularity and viral content, TikTok has become a hotspot for businesses looking to connect with new audiences and drive sales. But for Black-owned businesses, navigating the TikTok shop experience can feel like a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs aplenty. Let's buckle up and explore the highs and lows of using TikTok shop for Black-owned businesses. While we have you here, please check out the HWC Empowers Her digital courses. These courses are filled with important and very useful information to help you through your entrepreneurial journey. Everything from learning about Shopify, setting up your store, and creating cool content. Scan the code and get more information today. So guys, we've come to the end of yet another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to follow us on social media and all our channels. And again, like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other Hollywood consulting content. Thanks again, guys, and good luck, entrepreneurs.
Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, you send an action. These days, no quick, my niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you